Hello everyone, in this video I will give a short review about a book. The title is Rewriting Islam by Hasnul Johar. In this book, discuss the stories of great Islamic women who fought against stereotypes and views of Muslimah around the globe, especially in the West. How they voiced their struggles in search of identity and justice as minorities is also discussed in this book. It discusses various works such as poetry, fiction stories, and memoirs. Right off the bat, here are 5 quotes I took from the book, and I'll give you my thoughts. First of all, the quote sounds like historically Orientalist scholars tend to perceive Islam and Muslim women in reductionist ways as, for example, backward, passive, and uneducated. In America, the Orientalist mentality intersects with racism and imperialist French policy. This quote is a critique of Orientalist view, which degrades Muslim women as passive and uneducated. This is patriarchy, no? Internalist and cultural colonialism. Muslim women like Khadija in Hagar poems, by Mojah Kaf are proof that Muslim women are able to significant enough to lead, to be entrepreneurs and figures of independence. Okay, the second quote is arguably Muslims have often emerged as problematic existence in Orientalist debates, as they tend to exclude Muslims from the idea of freedom and modernity. I think Johar pointed to the marginals of the Muslim in the debate about modernity, with most people tending to forget that it is their right to freedom. We can see how this narrative affects Muslim women who argument to entitled freedom or modernity. In works like Saffron James, the trauma and struggles of its protagonists show how crucial this freedom is very human being, including Muslim women. Third, the negative association of Islam are residually reflected in culture. Negative stereotypes in Islam since 9/11 United tragedy in America often work to the detriment of Muslim women. They argue that Muslims are individuals with the right to self-definition irrespective of the cultural bias. Fourth, the quote is now in the era of global transnational capitalism, these colonized women's bodies have been occupied by white men who perpetuate the legacy of colonial manners. In this book, I think Johar looked at how women's bodies are colonized, both physically and symbiotically, as feminist critique of colonialism that live on. This is known as the double exploitation of women by the patriarchal system and global capitalism. 5. And the last quote I took from the book is Fatan's body is occupied by the Guardia Civil, who is depicted as wearing surgical gloves which function as type of cover to conceal his violence toward Fatan. The analysis that Johar makes of gender-based violence being a symptom of hidden adversary reinforced of bringing into the like structural violence against women. This is within a clear example of how women are victims within a patriarchal society. Okay, reading the book, Rewriting Islam by Hasnul Jar, I have again a lot, such as the theories being the truth about work which I have never known the symbols and opinions from well-known experts. Besides, Johar always give me another insight into the story I had never thought of. Presentation about the argumentation by Johar is very clear and smooth. Therefore, it was entertaining to read the book. Below is my review and I hope you enjoy it. And by the way, this book is available on Amazon. You still have to read it, the book. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.